Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the Moen 7014 Essie Pull-Down Sprayer kitchen faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The Essie Pull-Down Sprayer kitchen faucet from Moen, boasting transitional design appeal while showcasing several of Moen's top innovative features. Essie utilizes Reflex technology, engineered specifically for a smooth pull out and pull down movement. The sprayer undocks easily, moving with you and retracting effortlessly when you're done. Also designed with power clean technology that delivers 50% more spray power than faucets without power clean, Essie ensures efficient washing with less effort. For added convenience, Moen's exclusive spot-resist stainless finish resists fingerprints and water spots to maintain its original brilliance and easily wipe clean, ensuring the beautiful stainless appearance will continue to shine over time. This faucet comes with a refillable soap or lotion dispenser. A deck plate escutcheon is included, making it compatible with 1 to 4 hole sink applications. Flexible supply lines with 3/8 compression fittings connect directly to the supply stop, and the Duralock Quick Connect system enables simple, hassle-free installation. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Moen 7014 Essie Pull-Down Sprayer kitchen faucet. Versatile design. Chrome finish is highly reflective for a mirror-like look that works with any decorating style. Retractable, equipped with the Reflex system for smooth operation, easy movement, and secure docking of the spray head. Power clean. Power clean spray technology provides 50% more spray power for a faster clean. Flexible design. Designed for 1, 2, 3, or 4 hole sink configurations. Deck plate included. Built to last, backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. Here are the key features of the Moen 7014 Essie Pull-Down Sprayer kitchen faucet. Functionality. Reflex system. Power clean spray technology. 3 spray functions. Single handle design. Design and convenience. Available in multiple finishes. Spot resist finish on stainless steel models. High arc spout. 360-degree swivel. Integrated soap dispenser. ADA compliant. Durability and warranty. Duralock Quick Connect system. Limited lifetime warranty. Here's a rundown of the pros and cons of the Moen 7014 Essie Pull-Down Sprayer kitchen faucet. Pros: smooth operation, powerful cleaning, multifunctionality, single-handle convenience, multiple finishes, spot-resist finish stainless steel, high arc spout, 360-degree swivel, integrated soap dispenser optional, ADA compliant, Duralock Quick Connect system. Cons: price, limited reviews. Ultimately, the decision depends on your priorities and budget. If you value functionality, convenience, design, and a reliable brand with a warranty, the Moen 7014 Essie could be a good choice. However, if you require a longer reach, are on a tight budget, or prefer a gentler water pressure, consider exploring alternative options. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the Moen 7014 Essie faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading!